Hey everybody, it's Paul with
The Shadow Camper.
and it's adventure time. Big adventure. So I got a fairly early start tomorrow morning. Pumping at 7:30. It's about an hour and a half away, and I have to be there like half hour, 45 minutes early. Plus, I have to be at the shop a half hour to pre-trip. So that's like a 5 o'clock start time, maybe in that range. I didn't do the math, doesn't really matter. I just says, well, can I go tonight? I got nothing else to do, right? So, truck's pre-tripped already. I got my bag right there. You see it there? Got it there. Lunch is packed. Cooler's packed. So let's back this thing out of here and let's go on an adventure. I think I found a group of trees pretty close to the location. It's an oil field road. So I should be able to park the pump truck on the side and then go into the trees. We got the hammock out tonight. And let's get it pre-tripped, get it there, park it safely.
Stealth Pepsi time.
But we still got the responsibility part to get there first. So let's back her out of the door and let's go. What we call Big Valley. I guess there's the town Big Valley and then like just the Big Valley. This is a single lane bridge. It's wood. It's kind of like covered, like trestled. But man, look at that freaking view. Isn't that awesome? Here we go. Good. Down to 35 kilometers an hour. Kilometers an hour. Pulling RPMs and gaining speed. Grab high range again. There's 33. Here I go. Perfect. Beautiful. That should pull RPMs again. 31. Pulling RPMs, there's 40. Go for a gear. Beautiful. 46. There's 50. 60. Grabbing a gear. Beautiful, just as the fan turned on. Sometimes that can screw you up. It'll drop your engine RPM. Pulling speed, gaining RPMs. Should be cresting the hill real soon. There's 80 going for last gear. Nice. 82, 83. And we made it, guys. We made it over the hill. Yeah. It says we got about 10 minutes till the said camp location. So we will see you then. Up here on our right, that is a potential camp. Mobile home over there that wasn't on the satellite images. Oh yeah, and the road that I was going to park at is the road to this mobile home. Okay, well, look at the map here. Safe place to park the truck. Gate's open, doesn't even look like there's a gate there. Yeah, that freaking, I'm pretty sure that's our building we're pouring concrete in tomorrow. Well, let's shut it down. Nice. Nice and quiet. I'll let the boss lady know I'm here safe. Found a safe place off the road. Hey, that's done. She can see me too. Got the apps. Track us. Yeah, truck's off. We don't have to move till tomorrow morning. We'll have a great night's sleep. We'll be well rested. So I think we're going to grab the chair, grab a lukewarm Pepsi. We won't be in the bush, but nobody has done this before. Nobody. Truck's off. There's cows mooing over there. There's a whole bunch of frickin' frogs, I would assume. Croaking over there. Maybe we'll have to go check that out. Got some birds chirping over there. Look at that frickin' sun. Truck's all frickin' dirty. It's all dusty. That's all right. We can wash it off. Cheers, everybody. This way, I'm by the truck the whole time. You know, if anybody comes over here, they can be like, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm pumping concrete over there. I just didn't want to get up so early in the morning. I'm going to sleep in my hammock. Right? You can get away with stuff like that when you have a big truck. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. What do we call this? Pump Truck Stealth Camp? Big Truck Stealth Camp? Well, I'm going to say that nobody's stealth camped. And now is it stealth camping? I mean, obviously I'm out here in the middle of nowhere. I'm not supposed to be here. But I'll also be hanging the hammock in the middle of nowhere, right in the plain sight of anybody coming down that road. I don't believe this is a very busy area, so I can't imagine there'd be lots of people coming down the road. And we got to be, we'll set it up in the dark. And we'll probably set it up, take it down pretty much in the dark too. Because yeah, I'm gonna be pumping over there at 7:30. So I gotta leave here at like, 6:45. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. Frank Coleman, I put your weed suspenders on. Right? Why not? So I want to do some rigging. I'll bring you back when I figure something out. I want to try something. Beautiful. Awesome. Nice refreshing shower. I heat my water. So I was hoping it'd be a little bit warmer than it was. And I should have done it on the sun side, so I wasn't in the shade. You learn as you go. But yeah, new socks, new undies, same work clothes. But the important stuff is new. And yeah, that was awesome. So you're welcome. Ooh. Well, as we watch the sunset, I'm gonna make some supper. So I found these, they're called bowls, pasta with Napoleon sauce. It says you can microwave it, heat in a saucepan. This is a saucepan. And you can also place it in hot water, but it doesn't fit very good. So I'm gonna pour some in here. We'll cook it. We'll watch the sunset. We'll eat some food. And then I think we're gonna go see why it's so noisy over there. All you guys like New Zealand and Australia and all you guys have all that freaking noisy, even like Louisiana and stuff. Smells okay. It's all in there. I think I'm just going to put a squirt of water in it. Awesome. Sorry to get in your way. I'd always come with a backup plan when I try something new, especially from the dollar store. So I got beefaroni from the dollar store, but at least it's Chef Boyardee. I'm gonna toss this and we're gonna try again. Yeah, I was gonna do it from that outrigger to that outrigger, but I don't think that'll work. So I think I have two options. I'm going to move all that stuff, move my rake, then I'm on the other side of this railing, and I think I can hang it from the lower pipe or this upper pipe and hang back further this way. So I'm gonna set you up. We'll do some experimenting and we'll see what happens. And I figure I should do this before it gets dark, because this isn't as easy as I thought it was going to be. Well, freaking 20 minutes later, we got the hammock hanging from the concrete pump. I think it'll work. But let's grab a gar, the flashlights, and let's go check out the whatever's making all that noise over there. I did just check the time. It is 9:45. And look at that. We're still bright, guys. We've never heard this sound before, guys. Do you hear how loud it is? Isn't that freaking beautiful? You can make out the moon on the reflection on the water and the moon up there. That is freaking crazy. Let's do one more silent round and let them croak and then go back to camp. So awesome. So awesome. I've never experienced anything like this before. It's like one side's louder than the other, then the other side's louder than that. Just like a wave. What a beautiful evening. Yep. And they won't quiet down for talking, just movement. So we can talk normally. I don't even know if you can hear me over this. This is so loud. Like it's piercing my eardrums. I don't know. That's pretty crazy. I gotta turn the light on so I don't die. That's not so cool. I tell you, if I had a tent, I'd be right here. I don't know. I think that'd be awesome to listen to all night. I gotta get to bed. Might be 11 o'clock before that happens. Jeez, that's late. The majestic beast, sitting lonely in the field of rocks and cow patties. Nobody has ever slept on this truck
like this. Has anybody hung a hammock from a concrete pump before? Has anybody gone stealth camping on a concrete pump before? And I'm quite curious to see how obvious I am hanging there, which I don't think I would be. I don't think you'd see me at all, honestly. I mean, look, you can't even see it there. So awesome.
Don't sleep.
Well, good morning, everybody. Good morning. What a beautiful freaking morning it is. It's a little bit cold, but not too bad. Sleep was pretty damn good. I did have the time lapse on, but my phone died just as the sun was starting to come up, so probably like 5-ish. Time's about 5:45 right now, so we got time to make coffee, have a Pop-Tart for breakfast, say goodbye. Coffee's made, camp's cleaned up. Let's grab a gar, a chair, and a coffee. We'll say goodbye. Wow, it feels good to have camp cleaned up. That sun should be coming over them trees like right away. It's nice. It's a little bit cold. It was dewy this morning. My chair was wet, so it means I believe all the pipes and stuff had a little bit of dew on them. So we're in that season now of, don't need a tarp, but you need a tarp or you're wet in the morning. Yeah, again, sleep was pretty damn good, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't get up once. Not once. So that's good in my books. I was pretty tired, it was a long day, so, we finally got some breakfast on the show, guys. Everybody's complaining I don't do enough cooking. Well, frick. I cooked supper last night 2 times, one was a fail, and here we are eating breakfast. Just a strawberry Pop-Tart. I'm on the road. Again, has anybody stealth camped with a concrete pump yet? And so, it might not be a sweet location, but that was a sweet location. This job shouldn't take too long, a couple, 3 hours maybe. Should be pretty basic. I'll see if I can take you along for bits of it, show you what I'm doing. Complete the whole pump truck stealth camp thing. I had fun, guys. I had lots of fun. I hope you did. It's maybe 6:10 now. So leave here at like 6:30. Just a couple minutes to sight. You go assess the situation. Pump some concrete. Coffee's pretty good this morning, actually. A vanilla prime time for breakfast, along with our Pop-Tart. But yeah, guys, that's it for this episode anyways. Again, like I said, I'll show you the little bits of work and see what's happening there. Calm day. You can see all the green in the leaves and the trees. And man, I tell you, those frickin' frogs or crickets or whatever down over there by the creek, pond, the swamp, that was frickin' awesome. I don't think I've ever experienced anything like that before. You need some excitement in your life. Go work for a pump truck company. Say, hey boss, can I use your pump truck to go stealth camping? And he'll say yes.
because it'll be the coolest thing in the world. Huh? Billions of people on the planet. Have you ever seen anybody camp on a pump truck before? Probably has, but like on the YouTubes. Peace, guys. I'm gonna enjoy the sunrise. I can already feel the heat coming.
Rigged up, waiting. Nobody else is even here yet, so I don't even know if I'm in the right spot. Just gonna go off the back end today. So the mixer trucks are gonna come back from that road, just on the edge of the grass. They're gonna back up to the corner of the hopper, not the back, the corner, because I'm backed in, right? You see that? Like there's the building. Right? Usually I drive into places and they go to the back of me, but I switched it up today. It's frickin' Friday. Let's make it fun. So once it gets here, I'll just shoot a little bit of concrete out of that pipe. We'll pour the slurry down that hose, make a connection. And then we just got a nice basic, easy square shot. Easy. See, there's a better view, right? So the mixer guys will come from that side and back up and just kind of put their chute in the corner of the hopper instead of coming at it backwards. They'll probably go, well, how am I gonna get concrete in the hopper, and not figure it out, but I figured it out, I got it. I'm ready. I've been here 15 minutes and I'm ready. That's it, thanks for watching this episode. This is what I'm doing today. This is what I came here for. And it should be a good day. Should be super simple, super easy. I don't have to worry about the boom or anything. I could have boomed in here and maybe used one hose, two. The door's not very high, so probably two. So this way I got three down, one extra hose. And I won't have to wash those hoses. I'll pull one off, work with two for the rest of the job, and then I'll just suck a grout bag through both them hoses. Clean. Dump the hopper, bam, back to frickin' town. Enjoy the weekend. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. Pump Truck Stealth Camp. Nobody's done this yet. Have a good day, guys.